Hey guys, it's PHIA, and today I've got a quick tutorial on how to do the multiplayer options in VirtualCast. If you're new to VirtualCast, then I recommend going back to my Getting Started video where I go over the main features of this free app for VTubers and how to set things up. First things first, you're going to need a buddy that you'd like to play with, so I have Jotomo here to help me out.
Hi.
Alright, so let's get started! So first things first, you need to decide who's joining whose studio. Every time you load into VirtualCast, you'll generate your own unique studio ID. So if you lift up your headset and look at your desktop screen before you load in, you'll see this nice little menu that has your studio ID hiding here. So you can go ahead and copy that ID and then send it to anyone that you would like to join your room. I'm going to be joining Jotomo's room today, so I'm going to have him go ahead and send me his ID real fast while I exit back to the startup menu on my desktop. Alright, so from my desktop here on the Quick Start menu is where you'll see my target studio ID is currently blank. So I'm going to go ahead and paste in Jotomo's ID that he sent me, and we're going to go ahead and hit the start button. Alright, so as I'm loading into my game here, you'll notice that there's no Jotomo to be seen anywhere. In fact, it's just me. So what I'm actually going to have to do now is go ahead and open my menu here and click on Rooms. And from here, I can hit Specified Room, which is going to link me to the studio ID that I put in earlier. So if I hit Enter Room, I'm going to go ahead and spawn in. Alright, so now that I've loaded into Jotomo's studio, oh, there he is. Hi, Joe!
Hi.
You can see that the multiplayer in VirtualCast is similar to VR chat, but it's a little more personal and it's great for streaming with your VTuber friends. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and make sure to check out my other tutorials on getting started with VirtualCast. If you like this video, then please subscribe to the Virtual Reality Show for more VirtualCast and VTuber related content. And make sure to check out the last episode of the show where we talk about the history of Oculus. If you want to talk more about VR-related topics, then please consider joining my Discord, link in the description. I'm currently saving up for full body tracking, so please consider donating or subscribing to my Patreon so that I can make my videos better. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. My name is PHIA, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!